Okay, guys, good evening, guys. I hope you had a nice day and your week was nice. This is IPT, and you're watching Inner Peace Traders. So, I just want to give us a quick update on what is happening on USD at the moment. And if you check my previous post, if you subscribe to my channel, you will see that my previous post was when I was giving a detailed explanation of why I took this trade and why I closed it here. I say that I closed it because of this. So if you watch the previous video, you have a comprehensive understanding of what I'm saying. So after closing this market with this candle, meanwhile this is 4 hour time frame, all this were happening. In that previous video here, it was just here, the candle was here. If you check my previous video, it was here. All these candles has not formed. Then I said that if a bearish candle should form here, if a bearish candle should form and closed inside or under this zone, that I'm going to enter this market for a sell. And I stated that my stop loss will be here, though my stop loss was here because I entered with this candle. I stated that my stop loss will be here and my take profit will be here. So when this happened, even before I entered this trade, I posted it on my story on my IG. So I advise, if you are not with me on my IG, try and do so that, and also subscribe to my channel so that you will take advantage of some of these opportunities. Forex is all about probability. It's not that what I'm going to tell you is I want you to do what I'm telling you. It's just for us to share our ideas, because assuming most of my guys, those that are with me on my YouTube and my IG, most of them took advantage of this trade now. So assuming because if you see this after the event might have occurred, it will just be for educational purposes. But for you to take advantage of the market, you need to see it before it happens. So my previous video is there to bear me witness. I said that once this market should close here, that I'm going to enter for a sell and my target will be here. Meanwhile, this is 4 hour time frame to show you that if we come to 15 minutes time frame, you will see that the market made a much impact. If you come to 15 minutes time frame, you will see it sold from here all the way from here till here. So you see it started from here and down here. So this is for 15 minutes time frame. So let's go to 4 hours. Meanwhile, I take my trade in 4 hour time frame, so I don't go down to 15 minutes. I just did it now for explanation. So the market came from here to here. So you see this is enough pip, which is a good number of pips. So this is it for USD. You see, exactly as I said it, my zones we have expected. Even this, you see, this thing that happened here is almost the same thing that happened here. But do you know the why I'm not that happy with this market is, see what happened. When I entered this market with this candle, I was holding this. You see this big candle now? Wait. Let me reduce this a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let me keep it here. I entered this market after this candle, after this thing that happened. I entered with this. So with this, I was on profit. So I decided, I know that the market is coming here. So, but then I break even and my stop loss was here. My stop loss was around here. So I break even. So I don't know, I was busy then. I don't know what I can't remember what I was doing. So the market came back and hit my stop loss. Then the market took me out on a break even. So but then I still know that the market is still going to come down. So most of my guys, I advise them to hold, because I know that the market is coming here, and most of them held. So I did not take the full advantage of this trade because I break even. That is it. So now I'm even regretting why I could have just keep my stop loss here and just move with the market. So that is another thing in trading. is one for you to be patient, one for you to trust your strategy. I trust my strategy, but sometimes we are human. I want to be, I don't want to lose money and all that. So what this taught me is, before I enter any market, predetermine what you are comfortable to lose. So assuming I did not break even, that I'm okay with here, and like anything that, even if it comes here, even if the market should pull back, any amount that I lose, I could have said, okay, I'll be comfortable with it. But being that I'm trying to be skeptical about it, that was why I break even, and this candle came back here and hit my stop loss. So this is the stature or the state of the market at the moment. So what am I seeing here? It seems that since this zone is being respected here, and today is Friday, and this is how the market closed, this is what will probably happen. If the market open by weekend, either it create a gap to come here, or it will continue to come up. Then once it comes to this zone, we then know what is happening. But I'm not going to buy, being that if I come to, so I advise, or I suggest, or I beg for you to subscribe to my channel, so we will form a community. If you have any idea or any any way or anything you want me to add, or you want me to be doing in my strategy, or anything you want me to stop, just advise me in the comment section. I'll be welcome to take your advice. If my bias is different from your own, let me know in the comment section, so I will adjust or I will check it out. If you are in support of what I'm saying, maybe my bias is the same thing with yours, also let me know in the comment section. Let's just form a community of traders. So this is the state of daily time frame now. So you see, this candle is rejecting this zone, which entails that if by next week, depends on how this candle will close and how it will open. This candle will come here. Okay, now I'm now seeing kind of head and shoulder. If this candle should come here, it will be kind of shoulder, head, shoulder, then it will come down, because I'm still anticipating that this market should come here, should come to this zone. But market by Monday, we see how the market opens and know what will happen. If the market should come above here, break and retest, that means it's coming here. If it should come here, then it's coming here. So that is it for EUR/USD. I just want to show us this thread that I predicted 2 days ago, that it worked out as I said. So subscribe to my channel, so that once I do any of this, you will see them on time and be able to make use of them. Thank you so much, and I wish you good work and success.